Welcome to our foundation channel from class 10th. The chapter number 7 is coordinate geometry. So in this coordinate geometry, what are the basic skills you require to solve the problems I'll explain in this video. So every concept I'll show few problems and remaining problems to practice purpose. You have the worksheets. So you can see the link in description below. You get the worksheets for practicing purpose. You can use them, right? Let us see the basic skills of this chapter. Not entire chapter, only the fundamental concepts in this chapter. Let us discuss one by one. So to be perfect in this coordinate geometry, first of all, you should know the plotting the points. Now this is the graph. X-axis, vertical is y-axis. So x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. This is from 0 towards right side is positive, left side is negative. From 0 is above is positive, down is negative. You know it. To plot the points, for example, 9, 8 is the first point. So 9 from x-axis and 8 from the y-axis. 9 is positive. 9 is here. So this is 9. So 9 straight line. This is x value is 9 and y value is 8. 8 is this. Both lines are where they are joining together. So this is the point D. This is a 9, 8. Always first coordinate point is x value, second is y. So this is 9, 8. Right? Same way you can plot 8, -7. 8 is positive, y is negative, no, -7. So this is the quadrant 1. This is second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, if you observe, x value, y value are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. Here is both are negative values. Fourth quadrant is plus and minus. X value is positive, no, y value is negative, downwards, right? So 8, -7. This is 8. 8 straight till the -7. So this is a point 8, -7. Right. 4, -7. So 4 and -7 is this. This is F. 4, -7. So like this you can plot. Now if any point is on 0, like for example K, 2, 0, x value is 2, y value is 0. Point is on x-axis. Because y is 0, only x is the 2. This is 2, 0 and 1, 0. So 1 it is. So this is 1, 0. For example, if you take this the point, it's not given. For example, this the point is on y-axis, it's a 5. X value 0. So 0, 5 is this. So this is an example I am telling. So first of all, you should know the perfect thing is plotting the points on the coordinate geometry on the graph paper. So, and for example, quadrant 2, negative and positive. This L, -5, 8. So this is -5 straight. Okay. So wherever the -5 is there, this line is straight and 8. From 8 is towards left. Where these two are joining, no, together. Now this is a point. So this the point is -5, 8. So always remember, first one is x-axis, second point is y-axis, and check the coordinate and place it. And if x value 0, point is on y-axis. If y value 0 is point is on x-axis, right? This is the skill you need to improve first. Okay, so I am giving 2-3 pages based on that graph problems in this PDF and the next pages regarding the midpoint. Okay, once perfect of all the plotting the points, some worksheets I am giving the graph, you need to find out which point is located. So those type also in worksheets are available, you can check it. Next skill 3. So first, second skills based on the graphing. Next midpoint formula. We have two cases in this. If the points are given, we need to find out the midpoint. If the graph is given also, we can find out the midpoint. 7, 1, 10, 6. So let be this is A and B. Midpoint of this. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That means in this coordinate point, this is x1 and y1. Second point is x2, y2. Remember. Always first is regarding x-axis, second one is related to the y-axis. 7, 1, 10, 6. x1, y1, x2, y2. So midpoint, let be M. You can substitute in this. That is x1 plus x2. 7 plus 10. Divide by 2. Y1 plus y2. 1 plus 6. And divide by 2. It is simplified, that is the answer. 10 plus 7 or 7 plus 10. 17 divided by 2 comma 7 by 2. This is the midpoint of this. Okay, x coordinates you can add and divide by 2. Y coordinates you can add and divide by 2. You'll get the midpoint. So it means 0 plus minus 4 divided by 2 comma 5 plus 6 divided by 2. The second answer is minus 4 by 2. So minus 2, this is 11 divided by 2. Okay, this is the midpoint. Same question, if they are asking the midpoint on the line segment, you can write the points of this. Let it be A and B. Don't use the scale to find out the center, just only write the coordinate point of A. In this graph, A is this x-axis, no, x dash, y dash. First x value, minus 4. Y value is also minus 4. So minus 4 comma minus 4 is A. And B is, this is 3. And it is, y value is minus 2. So 3 and minus 2. So 3 comma minus 2. Now you can find out the midpoint. So midpoint is, according to the rule, sum of the x coordinates. X values you can add and divide by 2. Minus 4 plus 3 divided by 2. Y coordinates, y1 plus y2 by 2. Minus 4 minus 2 divided by 2. This is minus 1 by 2 minus 6 by 2. If you simplify, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 is the midpoint of this. So minus 1 by 2 and negative 3. So somewhere very fraction point exactly will come. You can't use using the scale. That you have to use the formula and find out. Okay, these are the basic skills you need to improve in this. Right. Next one. Okay, even slope of the line through each of the pair of the points. Slope of this. Let me write the formula. X1 y1 and x2 y2. Slope we can denote with m. Slope is formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is a slope formula. That means difference of this y. So y2 minus y1. 10 minus y1 is again minus 4. So keep minus 4 in the bracket. x2 minus x1 is again minus 8. If you simplify, and this is 10 plus 4, no? So 14 minus 2 minus plus. So this is 11. 14 by 11 is the slope of this. Even graph also same method you apply. Just find out the coordinate points. Then you can find out the slope of these diagrams. Right? Even let us see this question number 6. y2 minus y1. Minus 20 minus of minus 8 by x2 minus x1. 9 minus of this x1. So minus 20 plus 8 by 9 plus 13. So negative 12 by, so 20, this is 22. You can simplify, minus 6 by 11. So this is the slope, right? So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 you can use for the slope formula and calculate. Next, one more important thing is coordinate geometry is graphing. This is important. So if any linear equation is given, we should frame at least 3 coordinate points. Given question is minus 4 plus y minus 2x is equal to 0. Let it be y coefficient, y term is LHS, remaining terms take other side, 2x plus 4. Right, minus 4 minus 2x, take right side, 2x plus 4. You can make any 3 coordinate points when x is equals to 0. So 2 times 0 is 0 plus 4. So y value 4 will come in this equation. And when x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 2 into 1. 2x now, 2 into 1, 2 plus 4. So 6. Even you can take negative 1 when x is equals to minus 1. Then 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 4, 2 it is. Now we have the coordinate points we got 0, 4, 1, 6, minus 1, 2. With 2 coordinate points also we can make line, but make it at least 3 to get accurate values. Right, first 0, 4. X value 0 now, y value on 4. 0, 4 is this. 1, 6. and minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2 this. You can join with the straight line. Okay, this is the equation of this. This equation is minus 4 plus y minus 2x is equal to 0. Right? So this is the important skill you need to perfectly practice from this coordinate geometry, the graphing purpose. So okay, these are the basics skills you need to improve. Get the worksheets from the link in description below and you can practice to be perfect in this coordinate geometry.